Okay, got the Bang Anti-Theft Men's Backpack here. Waterproof, fashion travel backpack, high-tech backpack. We're going to check it out right now. It comes with USB chargers. Handle on the top. Top pocket right here. Easy access. As you can see, it comes with this little protective nub right there that the zipper will fit into. Side pouch. Now let's get into the anti-theft. Here is the lock mechanism. Push the button there, opens up. Now we're going into the main compartment of the backpack. Keychain. Here's your USB cables. So, USB charger. This will hook to whatever charging block that you have stored in the backpack. Pockets for pens, passport, whatnot. Mesh pocket for cables. Waterproof. Charging ports are here, right there. This flips up. You got USB and USB-C right there. And then on the back side is where the laptop goes and tablet. Secondary pocket opens up. Strap holds it in. Lots of padding behind it. 17-inch laptop fits in there. Holds it down. It's a strap right there for another device. Multiple pockets right here. Close up the laptop pocket. Close up the main pocket. Take the locking, open it up, get them in position, push them down, release, and you're locked in place. Turn the combination right there, and of course you can reset that combination whenever you like, to whatever combination you like. Chest strap, padded straps. Adjustable here. And chest strap nice and snug. Bang Men's Anti-Theft Waterproof Fashion Travel Backpack.